Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about cosine x squared equals to cosine 2x plus 1 over number 2. So I need to put this one to change about cosine x squared. This is about trigonometric identity. So I will put number 2 go outside. Next, the integration of this one, we will have about 1 over 2 sine 2x. Number 1, that's about x. And we put the bounds from 0 to b over 2. So I will put b over 2 gone here, number 0 gone here. So sine 0 you got about 0. This one you got about 0. So everything in here is equal to number 0. Now we have number 2 multiplied by b over 2. You got about b. So this one we have number 0. So we simplify and we got about b over 4. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the second one. So we have the formula in here. Sine x squared equals to 1 minus cosine 2x over number 2. So I will put this one go in here. And then I will put number 2 go outside. The integration of number 1, we have x cosine 2x, we have 1 over 2 sine 2x, and we put the bounds from 0 to b over 2. Now we put b over 2 going here and here. Number 0 going here and here. So we need to simplify and we have b over 4. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.